How to delete rule in Microsoft Outlook. Let's see how it's done. In Microsoft Outlook dashboard, first, you need to click the settings gear icon in the top bar. And in this pop-up screen, you will need to click the emails link in the left side of this window, which will open up this middle section. Here, select the Rules tab. All the rules created in Outlook can be seen here. In this Outlook, there are 2 rules already created. To delete a rule, click this down pointing arrow beside the rule you want to delete. And again, click the Delete option, which will ask you to confirm deleting the rule. Click OK, and the rule will be deleted permanently. And done with this deleting rule video in Microsoft Outlook. This brings us to the end of this video. Please like my video, share your ideas in comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.